Oh no.
Hema felt a tickle, then a giant ACHOO. But this wasn't just any sneeze. It was a super-duper, accidental spell-casting sneeze. Suddenly, everyone in class started talking like animals. Lily tried to say hello, but only a moo came out. Tom chirped ribbit, instead of good morning. It was a total animal sound party. Hema looked at Ketos, who just barked, woof woof. They had a huge problem. The teacher was coming, and she definitely wouldn't understand meow for math homework. Hema and Ketos had to work super fast. They needed to undo the silly sneezing spell before Mrs. Periwinkle walked through that door. This was going to be one wild adventure.